In this session, let us learn about Matplotlib line style. You can use the keyword argument line style or shorter ls to change the style of the plotted line. See here, we have just changed this dotted line. See, the line changed to dots. Use a dashed line. See here, by using here dashed, the entire line changed to dashed line. Shorter syntax. See, line style can be written as is dot. See here, dotted can be written as see here some dots. Dashed can be written as dashed. Shorter syntax. By giving this code, shorter syntax, the line we can change the lines with dots, dashes like that. See, line styles. You can use any of these styles. See here, style. This is R. Solid default. See here, dotted, dashed, dash dot. See here, none. Line color. You can use the keyword argument color or the shorter C to set the color of the line. See, we can change the color of the line also. See, by giving R, the line change it to red. You can also use the hexadecimal color values. You can also use hexadecimal value to change the colors. See here, we had used #4C AF50 for green. It's changed to green. Or we can use any 140 support color names. See here, plot with color named purple. See, by giving purple name, it's changed, the line changed to purple. Line width. You can use the keyword argument line width or the shorter LW to change the width of the line. The value is floating number in points. See here, by giving to 20.5, see here, the line width increased. Multiple lines. You can plot as many lines as you like by simply adding more pl.plot functions. Draw two lines by specifying a pl.plot function for each line. See here, y1, y2. See, plt plot y1, plt plot y2, plot c. See, by flushing this, two lines was arrived. The result returns this. You can also plot many lines by adding the points for the x and y axis for each line in the same plt plot functions. In examples above, we only specified the points on the y axis, meaning that the points on the x axis got the default values 0, 1, 2, 3. The x and y values come in pairs. See, draw two lines by specifying the x and y point values for both lines. See here, for both lines x1, y1, x2, y2. See, the result returns this. Okay friends, this is the end of part 5. Matplotlib line. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Matplotlib labels and titles. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.